In question 17, we are told that to complete a task in 15 days, a company needs 4 people, each working 8 hours per day. But the company has decided to have 5 people working for 6 hours per day. And part A asks us how many days will the task take to complete. You must show you're working. So let's have a look at total number of hours. Total number of hours. So the total number of hours, if it's going to take 15 days, is going to be 15 days multiplied by the 8 hours, and then 4 people are doing this. So we need to do that calculation. Let's do 15 times 32, and 15 times 32 is the same as 10 times 32, which is 320, plus 5 times 32, which is half of that, which is 160. So altogether that's 480 hours in total. Okay, that's how long it takes. But we are told that the company decides to have 5 people each working for 6 hours per day. So each day they work 5 times 6 equals 30 hours. So we need to divide the total amount of time divided by the total amount of time in each of these days. So that's going to be 480 divided by 30. Well, that's 48 divided by 3. And that comes out as 16. If you were struggling to get that, you could do this via long division if you would like. So we could say we have 48 up here. What's an easy number of 3s we can pick out? Well, I could take 10 3s, that's 30. And then we do 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 3, 1, 18. Well, I know that that is 6 3s, and 10 plus 6 gives us the answer of 16. So the answer is going to be 16 days. Now in part B, we are asked to comment on how the assumption affects our answer to part A. Now the assumption here is that each person works at the same rate. This affects our answer to part A because if the people working less hours were more productive, for example, then this would take less time. Likewise, if people were working at a slower rate, the answer is going to be higher. That's the kind of line we need to do to guarantee that 1 mark.